Hey guys, it's me, the King DD5000, and this is Tico again. Now you're probably wondering, what is that black thing on his nose? Well, he kind of flew into a window and he scratched his nose. It was bleeding yesterday a lot, but we comforted him with by giving him like some crackers that he likes to eat and putting bird videos for him. And yeah, so he's feeling okay. Oh, there he is. Hi, Tico. Wait, you don't wanna? Okay. So anyways, here we changed the cage a little bit. As you can see, there's like, yeah, the big triangle. And Tico, what are you doing? What are you doing, Tico? What are you doing? Do you want to say hi, Tico? Say hi? Oh. Doesn't really look like he wants to say hi. Anyways, I forgot to tell you that Tico's birthday passed a few months ago, basically. And yeah. We also gave him like maybe a Triscan cucumber and made a little cake out of it for him. And I gave him a little toy that was there before, but he was done using it because it's meant to be ripped apart and all that. Tico. Tico, come on. It's okay. Can do that, okay. There's Tico. Come on, Tico. It's okay. Yeah, Tico. Come on. Do you want to stay there? Oh, okay. Well, hi there, Tico. Hi. Do you just want to stay in? Do you just want to stay in, Tico? Oh. That's okay, Tico. Oh, you're so fluffy. You're so fluffy, Tico. Fluff, fluff. Well, you don't want to be pet? Okay, I guess so. Oh, he's coming back. Oh, you're so fluffy, Tico. You're so fluffy. Tico. Oh. He's very interested in my tablet most of the time, but I can't let him get out again. Because he always does that. Climbs to the top of his cage. And, well, yeah, it's hard to get him back in. And I think he just wants to stay alone, maybe for a while. Here's a little close-up of Tico. Tico. What are you doing, Tico? What are you doing? I see your little birdie eyes. Ow. It's my finger. Oh, so fluffy, Tico, so fluffy. Oh, ow. No biting. No biting, Tico. No, no biting. So let's just, oh no, he's getting on me. Oh no. Oh, Tico, it's okay. I might have to end the video here, I guess. 'Cause, well, yeah, it's done. Bye.